Average rate of return method. Here's a question that's being asked of us. The expected average rate of return for a proposed investment of $500,000 in fixed asset with a useful life of 4 years, straight line depreciation, no residual value, and an expected total net income of $240,000 for 4 years is. Well, the formula, the average rate of return, is going to be the sometimes called the average rate of return. Accounting average rate of return is looking at the formula. We'll highlight that. Oops. The estimated average annual income divided by the average investment. Well, the estimated average annual income, we would take whatever that total is and divide it by the number of years to come up with an amount. It says the expected average rate of return for the proposal of $500,000 in fixed asset with useful life of 4 years, straight line depreciation, no residual value. They're telling us the investment information. Then it says, finally, in an expected total net income of $240,000. So I've got to find the average of that. Well, to find the average, I'm going to take the $240,000. I'll divide that by 4 years. And 240 divided by 4 is $60,000 per year. So I've now calculated what the average annual income is. So I'm going to take 60,000, that's my numerator, and I'm going to divide that by the average investment. The average investment is the investment at the beginning and the investment at the ending of the project. The beginning investment, change, we'll go to red. My beginning investment is $500,000, sorry. That's my beginning investment. My ending investment, the residual value, which is 0. Okay, so I have two different investment points that I'm looking at, the beginning investment and the ending investment. Now I have to find the average. So if I add those together and then divide by 2, I get $250,000 average. This is an important concept a lot of people get a little confused with. Even though I have a residual value of 0, I still have to divide it by 2. If the residual value in this case were, say, 20,000, as a side note, it would be 500,000 plus 20,000 residual value, or 520,000 divided by 2. Okay, but in this case we had a 0, so I'm going to divide it by 2, come up with an average investment of 250,000. So I can make my calculation now by dividing my average investment of 250,000 into my estimated average annual income, and I get 0.24 or 24%.